new era of banking.
Günaydın ve hoş geldiniz. And welcome to FinTech Road Vision Conference and Fair in the magnificent city of Istanbul.
Well, with regards to blockchain and Web3, I think it is a hype, and it should be a hype. And because all technologies start as hypes.
Compared to other financial centers such as New York, London, and Singapore, Hong Kong, Japan has a very unique legal system.
I share my data with the hospitals, health sector, health techs. I'm sharing my data with the telecom companies. I share my data. Why I'm sharing it? Different sectors, but retail sector as well. Why I'm sharing? Because I'm gonna get as a customer, I'm gonna get the customer value-added services.
If we think about fintech, fintech is all about disruption and innovation and breaking the norm.
But if we look at cryptocurrencies in general, whether companies or businesses are interested in, well, that will be a bit debatable, because at the end of the day, whether it's for the companies or for the human being or our traditional people, they just want to facilitate payments. They want to use a currency to exchange goods and facilitate a transaction.
I'd like to start my words by giving some numbers regarding the Turkish fintech ecosystem. According to the most recent Turkish fintech ecosystem status report, published in 2021, there are almost 70 million active retail digital banking users, almost 2 million POS terminals, over 80 million credit cards, almost 55 million prepaid cards in Turkey.
So I found passion, I found strength, and I really defeated many challenges to become influencing and inspiring other men, if I can say, to jump in the blockchain space, for example.
And then I think you saw the introduction of GDPR and PSD2 and MiFID II that happened in Europe in 2018, I think is when it got passed. That's really transformed the industry in a lot of different ways. We're going to talk about that. And I think just since 2020, we've seen enormous swings in the market. I think you've seen the introduction of NFTs. Crypto has skyrocketed, and then Bitcoin has just dropped $1 trillion in valuation since its high in 2021. There's a lot going on, but a lot of it's also driven and affected by regulations.
The mindset, so instead of, I'm a pro, instead of saying disruptive, instead of saying disrupt, let's say erupt. So whatever methods that has been ineffective, let's erupt those. You cannot remove KYC, knowing your client, in order to open a bank account. But I can erupt that channel by having face recognition, by having biometric recognition, so the fintech in this case is not disrupting the whole. but it's taking one channel, one way of doing things, and making it better.
Web3 is, of course, when you hear anything like with a number, you want to know Web3, okay, Web2, Web1, and we all know that the internet started back in 1969, and we went through multiple iterations from it. Web2 is the latest, was started around 2005 with the social media and the interaction and allowing the people to contribute to the internet.